If you are looking on how to make money on Facebook, you might have come across video like this from John Cristiani, how to make money with Facebook for beginners, or top 5 ways to make money on Facebook. And what I have to tell you is that a lot of things that you learn in these videos actually do not work, and they do not work especially for beginners. And the same happens if you type into Google like how to make money on Facebook. You come across posts like this, which just tell you some generic advice on how to make money on Facebook. They tell you things like sell items in the Facebook marketplace, or in a Facebook buy and sell group, or selling from your Facebook fan page, and things like this. So all of this generic advice will not help you at all to make money on Facebook. Hi, I'm Martin Bödecker, and I'm the founder of findfocus.net, and here you see an inside view of my affiliate dashboard for one of the programs that I promote called GrooveFunnels. And as you can see, last year I've made around $90,000 in commissions just by recommending a software like GrooveFunnels. And even this year, at the time of recording, I already made $8,500 roughly in commissions by just promoting products from GrooveFunnels and the GrooveFunnels marketplace. So one of the best ways to make money on Facebook is to give away something that people actually want, like the software. And because it works so well for me, I've created, for example, this page on GrooveFunnels and Groove Pages. And here I give away some amazing bonuses. So what's great about GrooveFunnels is that you can start to promote it for free. So the only thing you would need to do on Facebook is to find business owners who need a software like this, where they can build a website, can build a blog, can send out emails, and then you just recommend a product like this. And this is built by Mike Felsame, who I interviewed. And what I do basically to make money on Facebook is just promoting this free software and telling people about how great it is if they upgrade and decide to run their whole business on GrooveFunnels. And for this, I've created some assets that will teach you how to use this software and how to promote this as well. So everybody who upgrades this with this software will get access to all these assets for free. And then what I also did is I interviewed a bunch of really successful marketers, some of the most successful marketers online, and I just give away this the interviews as a bonus for everyone who signs up for my GrooveFunnels account. So this helped me to build a entire business with this. And here's some comparison of what other people pay for similar software. So it's really easy to promote this to business owners, and as you can see, they did a slightly different calculation. So they say like business owners will save $17,000 per year, but the main point is that they offer all of this for one-time payment of roughly $1,400. They will raise the price soon, so at the time you're watching this, there might be another price this, but what they did, they created a backup program, and now their software is finally ready to be used by real business owners. Before it was beta and still had a lot of bugs, but now that the software is almost ready, they will rise the price step by step. So at the time you're seeing this, there might be another price point. But if you want to know more about GrooveFunnels, I highly recommend that you just search for GrooveFunnels on Google. And if you search for this, you should see my website somewhere, which is called Find Focus. Here it is on the first page of Google, and I've created an in-depth review of what GrooveFunnels is. So when I started out to promote this software, before anybody knew about this software, and nobody was actually searching for a term like this on Google, basically what I did, I made some posts about GrooveFunnels, and I just reached out to people on Facebook telling them about this amazing software. And this is how I started to make my first commissions. And then I just moved on, created some more assets around this when I knew I really got traction for this. So the main takeaway for this is really that you want to pick a product that really helps people, that helps business owners, and then find match this with match the product with people and business owners who actually need the product. And what you will find if you search for making money on Facebook, a lot of people actually make their money from recommending a software like which is called GrooveFunnels, but GrooveFunnels is much more expensive. A lot of people really cancel after the 40-day trial because they do not see any success, because as everything in online marketing and running a business, making money on Facebook or wherever you want to make money takes a lot of time. And this is something why it's such an amazing offer to get a software like GrooveFunnels for a one-time price, which makes it so compelling. And if you get this software, you can make up to 40% affiliate commissions. And even if the people who join with your affiliate link, if they recommend other people and they upgrade, you will get another 10% second tier affiliate commission. So if you have any questions about GrooveFunnels, just type in GrooveFunnels into Google or check out my blog post or check out the links in the video description. And if you want to really learn how to promote a product like GrooveFunnels on Facebook, I highly recommend that you check out the pages that I've built with GrooveFunnels, and that you join my Ads Made Free program, where you will also get cutting edge Facebook software, which typically I sell for $9.97 for free, and you will get access to this whole course, which will teach you how to make money on Facebook for free. So if you do not want to waste your time by just placing some ads in your Facebook videos that you might want to post somewhere, which clearly does not work, then you would have a look into a product like GrooveFunnels, where you can really make substantial income. Because what a lot of people do not understand is that you actually need to help people before you can make money. And a lot of things that you see in this type of videos will tell you, like, these people will just tell you how easy it is to make money on Facebook or using any other platform, and it really does not work this way. Like, you need to put in some effort, you need to choose a quality product like GrooveFunnels to promote. And if you want to get started on GrooveFunnels, just check out the link in the description. I think it's one of the currently the best product to promote to make money on Facebook. And the way to promote a product like this on Facebook is something that I teach in my Ads Made Free program, which you can sign up with the link below or somewhere around this video. I do not know how this will look once I've created this. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I try to reply to all these comments. And have a great day and stay safe. And of course, check out the other videos that I am posting here on this channel. Check out the interviews that I do with other GrooveFunnels users with other successful affiliates of GrooveFunnels. And good luck with making money on Facebook.